Hello people of the internet, my name is Tatiana. Today I have received a little PR package from a brand called Rihoas. They are inspired by French fashion, so I'm always very excited to receive stuff from them. So let's have a look at what I received and let's talk a little bit about the quality, the fit and the feel of these pieces. Well, I did receive these clothes for free. This video is not sponsored and all opinions are my own. As always, before we begin, here are my sizes for comparison. I will also make sure to link the sizes of the clothes down below in case I don't say it in this video, because I have forgotten before, and if I do forget to say it in the video, I think I usually mention it in the description. The pieces that I received are very perfect for fall, so I'm very excited to have a look at them. There are some one size only items, which is always a little bit scary, so let's go through them and see how it looks. We're actually gonna start with a one size only item. It's a brown knit dress. The dress feels very soft, and I did not think this would fit me when I tried it on, but somehow it worked perfectly. The material is very stretchy, so I think it could fit many sizes. And on top of it all, there is a little string on the side that I don't know if you can like make it tighter in the waist necessarily with this, but I think it makes it a little more flattering because it sort of lifts up one side of the dress. So I really think this dress might fit a lot of body types. It has a little button detail. It's not real buttons, so you can't really like open up the neckline, which I thought would be an option. It is a cute detail and it seems like you can wear it in the front and in the back. I'm not sure how I feel about the fit of the sleeves because they go a little bit over your shoulders, which is usually nice, but it might not work for everybody. And also there are some strings kind of peeking out. I know this happens with knits, but I'm wondering if this is not something that will just make the clothing fall apart. But overall, I'm very pleasantly surprised with this piece and I will definitely wear it a lot this fall. Next up, we've got this preppy black dress with a little tennis skirt sort of detail at the bottom. It has a zipper in the back. It is not necessarily adjustable or stretchy. So I took a medium and I think I should have gone with a size small to make it fit a bit nicer on the waist. Great. Perfect timing.
This will go for an hour.
For an hour?
You get a warning on your phone too?
No.
Mine started beeping.
Really?
Why did yours start? Yours should have started too.
Maybe it doesn't know I'm in Austria. Or maybe I don't know, the government decided that the foreigners can die. Anyways, I think I could have gone with a size small here, just for a better fit in the waist. But I was really worried that it wouldn't fit over my chest. This is usually the kind of problem that I'm facing. Like, I don't think I'm necessarily hourglass kind of figure, but if it fits in one area, I feel like it doesn't fit in my waist, and I like when there is an option to sort of like tighten it in some way in the waist. I think it still looks nice even though you can't tighten it in the waist, but I wish I have gotten a size small. When it comes to this skirt that is below, it actually isn't just like a little ending on the black fabric, but it has like a full-on lining with this skirt. I think that's very nice, especially if you want to wear something like this in fall and it's a bit colder. The extra layer is super nice. I think this is a cute piece, just maybe size down if you think about getting this one and want it to fit very tightly in the waist. If you've been watching me for a while, you probably noticed that I love red anything. So I also got this beautiful red dress with a black bow tie in the back of the waist. It's just so nice and flattering. My boyfriend said it looks a little bit gothy. I don't know about that, but I think it looks really cute and I could imagine this for like Christmas dinner or like some a little more put together sort of event where, you know, you want to be comfortable but still really elegant. This is really the dress. It's actually fully lined, but the sleeves are not. I really hope it's not picking up all the fabric rustling. So the sleeves are a little bit see-through. I don't think you can see it on the camera. So it gives you a little bit of airiness, but still I felt like this was quite a warm piece. So it's either really nice for the winter or you will get really sweaty in it and it won't really be breathable. I haven't had a chance to wear it for an extended period of time, but I felt quite warm when I was trying it on. Next up, we have a really simple black mini dress with a slit. The fabric is extra stretchy, but it feels quite thin. So I feel like this is not their best quality type of clothing, but it is very comfortable. And I thought it was quite funny how the sleeves are like quite long with these strings there. It looks nice, but it's also a little bit funny, and I feel like it could get in the way. I was under the impression that you can like tighten this bit, but it's really just decoration. And one thing that I really liked about this top is the square neck. I think that's really flattering, and the little slit on the leg. I feel like when a mini dress has a little slit, it already takes it to like a whole different level. And I think it's very true to size, but also because it's stretchy, I think you could get away even with like, you know, sizing it slightly wrong. I could see this being like a witch kind of Halloween costume outfit. It's really simple, but you can do a lot with this one. Next up, we have this beautiful knitted dress. It actually feels quite heavy. I really like the detailing at the bottom. I think it's really simple, but this little detail makes it super fun. And the neckline has these like zigzag edges, which also I think is super fun and makes a really simple dress a lot more interesting. I did size down with this one because it's super stretchy. And I feel like these kind of pieces, you really want to fit really nice and snug on your body, so I would recommend sizing down, but obviously have a look at the sizing chart to see for yourself. But really the stretch really gives you a lot of room to make mistakes. Let me check on the material. I don't think this is wool or anything like that. It's 100% viscose, and I think that is a rather breathable material, which is something you really want, especially when it's like a knitted dress. So I think this is a really nice piece. I was so excited about this dress. It is one size only. I thought the cut was so flattering and super cute, and because it's a knitted material, I thought I could get away with the one size like with the first dress. Unfortunately, I can't. It is very short and very tight in the chest area, so I think this would have been multiple sizes. As I was trying it on, I thought like, oh, I heard some rip, and I thought I broke the dress, and then I checked and it seemed like I didn't, but it looks like I ripped off the tag when I took a breath, so that's how tight it was. But if you are a smaller person, this is super cute and so flattering. But yeah, you know, if you're not a size extra small to small, then I think you might need to pass on this one. Or maybe if you're like really short and have a smaller chest, it might work too, but otherwise I would say stay clear of this one. The material is also quite nice. It's another knitted one that is quite thick. I can't really find the materials on these things anymore. It actually doesn't have a tag with the materials on it, so I can't really tell you. Maybe I ripped that one off too when I was trying it on. My camera overheated as usual, but I really want to finish my thought. It feels like it could also be a viscose or some synthetic wool material. So I don't know. I think this is a nice piece, but really the sizing is not great. Next up, we've got this cute green dress with long sleeves and buttons in the front. Oh, I actually forgot to mention with the red dress that the buttons are fake, that they are just decorative, so you can't actually unbutton the dress in the front, but there was a zipper on the side. With this dress you actually have functional buttons in the front, so that's how you get in and out. I really think this dress is a nice length and a very flattering cut. It is a bit loose in the waist, but not something I mind because with this cut it just works. One thing that I would maybe change here is the width of the sleeves. I think this way it's not 100% flattering. I think they could have gone with slimmer ones. And the fabric is a blend of polyester and viscose. It's mostly viscose, which I like a lot as a fabric, so I will definitely be wearing this dress. I think the color also works for fall, but I could see myself wearing this more around Christmas. It's another piece that I think is quite true to size, and the material is very comfortable on the skin, like nothing is stretchy, and I didn't feel like I was sweating in it. Like it felt like it's a breathable material. It felt like it was a breathable material, which I think is because the majority of the material in the fabric is viscose. Last but not least, we've got this cute piece with bow ties and double straps. How cute is that? And it's got little details at the bottom, and it's super flowy and comfortable. Again, the skirt kind of goes a bit deeper, not as deep as the other piece, but it's not just like at the end, so it has some layers, and the movement of this dress is super cute. I do think they could have given a little more space with the cups here. I don't think it's so obvious when you're wearing it that your boobs don't 100% fit where they should, but I think with a size like a medium, I would expect that they, you know, also think about giving a little more space in this area. I'm not sure how you're supposed to wear the straps. I tried it like both up here, you know, one kind of hanging off of your shoulder or the other one hanging off of your shoulder. I'm not sure. I think this would also be super cute to layer over a turtleneck for a little more coverage, and the material is also very comfortable, so I am actually very happy with this dress, and I think I will be wearing it a lot. And it's the kind of piece that you can easily wear in the fall, in the winter, and then still take it to the warmer months. So really cute one. I also saw that they had this in red and in a long version with sort of a mermaid cut. So if the mini dress in this color is not something for you, I'm sure you could find a variation of this because it's really, really flattering and so flowy. It also has a zipper in the back, and it's super stretchy, so I feel like here you don't have to worry too much about the sizing either. I mean, obviously have a look at the sizing chart to make sure that you're getting at least remotely something that fits you, but you know, I think you shouldn't worry too much in case you're in between sizes. And when it comes to the materials, this is mainly polyester and spandex. Maybe that's why it's so stretchy, so like not the best materials, but still it doesn't feel elasticy. It feels quite nice. I didn't mind having it on my bare skin or like without a bra. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about these pieces. Which one was your favorite? Which one was your least favorite? Let me know if you have any experience shopping at Rihoas, what you thought about their clothing, and I will see you next time. Bye!